everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a delicious chicken tortilla soup. Now I'll be honest, I sometimes have to motivate myself to cook, especially when life gets busy, but meals like this remind me of why it's worth it. It's flavorful, it's comforting, and perfect for sharing with friends and family. For this recipe, you'll need some fresh tomatoes. You're gonna need 1 large white onion, a rotisserie chicken or 2 shredded chicken breasts cooked, garlic, a can of black beans, chipotle, chiles, and adobo, ground cumin, oregano, tomato paste, chicken stock, frozen corn, and your choice of garnishes like avocado, tortilla chips, shredded cheese, cilantro, scallions, and don't forget the essentials like salt and pepper and a little oil for cooking. Okay, now let's get started by heating a little oil in a large pot. You're going to add in the chopped onions and you're going to let that cook. And then once you let that cook for a while, you're then gonna go in and add in some garlic. And you're gonna saute it until it's nice and fragrant. And after you add in the garlic, next we're adding in the cumin and oregano. You're going to add a little oil and then the cumin and oregano. And you're going to give that a stir. And it's going to give it like a smoky flavor. And then you're going to add in the tomato paste and the chipotle, chiles, and adobo. And you're going to mix together, and then you're gonna add the chopped fresh tomatoes in. At this point, you can also peel your tomatoes. I don't. I just go in and chop them and add them to the pot. And then I'm gonna add some onion powder in at this point. Give it a stir. And now you're gonna pour in 8 cups of water. And you're going to add in your chicken bouillon. And you're going to let that cook together for about 15 minutes. And then once that cooks for about 15 minutes, what I did to mine, I went ahead and blended it in the food processor, half of it. You can blend it all if you want it smoother, but I just like to do half. And then I'm going to add in some black beans and some corn. And then I'm adding in my fresh chicken, my shredded chicken. My shredded chicken. You're going to stir this all together and you're going to season it with salt and pepper if needed. And you're going to let that simmer. And you're all done. And yeah, that is it. The chicken tortilla soup is easy, it's flavorful, it's so satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time.